Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you a quick update on Crypto.com CRO, as well as take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole. Without further ado, we are at 11,300 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded Lion NFT, so subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $25,833. You know, unfortunately, we are in another tight chopping range, which is to be expected. We knew that this was coming. We were in a long range for a few months, about between the $28,200 price level and the $30,000 price level. We were in that range for a very, very long time. I think it was about 2.5, 3 months. And now it's seeming much more likely that now we're in this channel at 25,800 and range bound between a 200, 300 price difference. Bitcoin dominance level 48.17%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at 50.17%. When we look over at Bitcoin, guys, this is exactly as expected and exactly what I've been calling for the past few months. We have had 7 to 6 months of green price action, and I do expect another 6 or so months of sideways chop with potential shakeout capitulation events that could potentially bring us to 21,000. 21,000 is kind of my price level that I think is kind of worst case scenario, unless there's a really, really catastrophic event. But I do think it's a little bit late in the cycle to be having new lows or anything like that. I really do believe that the low was back here when we reached about the $15,000, $15,500 price level on Bitcoin. Guys, the year leading up to the Bitcoin halving is exactly what we're seeing right now. In the previous years, you have about half the year where you wreck the bears, and then you have about half the year where you wreck the bulls. And that's what's happening. That's playing out. I'm not going to be surprised at all if we just sideways chop, capitulation, and more sideways chop until we get to this Bitcoin halving, guys. But we're getting closer and closer and closer. And we're seeing more and more of these Bitcoin halving hype articles. We're seeing mainly right now the talking point is the Bitcoin spot ETFs. That is the key news article to pay close attention to, guys. They're building the hype. They're building the hype. We're starting to see JP Morgan and a lot of these larger institutions flip-flop to the side of saying, oh, there could be a Bitcoin spot ETF any day now, even though there's processing time. It can take up to 200 days. In retrospect, when you look at that information, it's basically, we probably won't be seeing one until 2024 because a lot of these appeals take 200 days. They have deadlines that they have to respond to the appeals. And usually, they wait until the last possible second to file and motion for a delay because, well, they don't want a Bitcoin spot ETF yet. It's important to know, not yet. I mean, just the other day we had ARK Invest come out and say that they are filing for an Ethereum spot ETF, which could be very, very, very intriguing to see how that plays out. I'm very eager to see that. You know, we're excited for the Bitcoin spot ETF, which will prop up the entire market, bring new money in. But if an Ethereum spot ETF gets approved, that could be very, very interesting. That could be lots of fireworks. So let's take a look over at CRO right now because CRO is touching. We did close out with a daily candle close, closing out this wick down here at a little bit under 5 cents at 0.0498 to be exact. We're getting a little bit of bounce off of that. We're getting a little bit of a bounce off that. But I'm not holding my breath. Like I said, I expect chop. I even expect a little bit more moves to the downside, but I don't expect large moves like a 50% drawdown or anything like that unless there's a catastrophe inside of Bitcoin. Guys, be patient. Be patient. Also, if you stuck around this far, please go follow me at 333 Blacksea over on Twitter. We're doing many giveaways. It's always fun to give back to you guys. I'm really having a lot of fun doing it. Go follow me there. Go follow CryptoKip tweets and the Crypto Report. We're doing lots and lots of giveaways, and I've been really active on here, guys. I'm trying to be really in tune with what's going on in the market and let you guys know what's going on, provide some value. And if you like that, please go follow me, 333 Blacksea. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.